All right, financial math class. Today we're starting our unit on investments. We're going to start off this unit with an investment called a certificate of deposit. Other things we'll get into are mutual funds, stocks, and real estate. So other ways to invest and let your money make money for you. So starting off, a certificate deposit is a pretty low risk way to invest money. All the different ways you can invest money in different things, they all have different levels of risk. Certificate of deposit is pretty low risk, but it is a higher interest rate than like a normal savings account. What you do is you buy a CD, is what they're called, certificate of deposit. You buy a CD for a specified amount of time. It can be anywhere from 3 months to 30 years. All right. And the idea is you buy it, you don't touch that for that specified amount of time, and it earns interest and you make money on it. If you do withdraw that earlier than that specified amount of time, there is a penalty for it. So before you buy a CD, you need to know things that you want to consider. Can you do without that money? Right? Because you won't have access to that money for that specified period of time. And if something does happen, what is the penalty for drawing early? So let's look at how to calculate these things. So we got to use this. Banks would use a computer to calculate these. We're going to use this table to help us calculate it out. It's very simple how to do this. So we have an annual rate of 3%. The 1 year quarterly, the interest period is 1 year quarterly. So that means it's compounded every 3 months. That's quarterly for the year, so 4 times a year. So annual interest rate, 1 year period, quarterly. So that is this value right here. So the amount for $1 is the 1.030339. All right, now to get the amount that this is going to be worth at the end of that specified term, this is a 1 year term, you take your original principal times the amount for $1, that is equal to the amount there. Let me get a calculator, so 6,000 times 1.030339, it comes out to, this value is $6,182.03. All right, the interest earned, here's the formula for the interest earned up here. It's the amount minus the original principal. So what I'm going to do to find that interest earned, I'm going to do the 6182.03 minus the 6,000, our original principal. That is equal to $182.03. So the interest earned 182.03. So after a year, it is, you earn $182 just by letting your money sit there. Let's do one more. So this one is 3.5%, compounded 4 years daily. So that is this value right here, 1.150266. So again, to take that, I'm going to do the 20,000 times the amount there, 1.150266, and that comes out to 23,000. Right in blue, $23,005.32, and then the interest earned. Again, you take your that amount earned, so $23,005.32, and subtract the original principal, and that comes out to $3,005.32. I'm gonna actually write it here because it's all bleeding together. So $33,005.32. That'll do it for today.